Hi, my name's Arun. I'm with the Palm Springs Public Library. For this week, we'll be making blow-dry crayon art. For our summer reading program, Reading Colors Your World. If you're enrolled in our program, make sure you listen out for the secret word later in the video to gain an entry ticket to our grand prize drawing. Thank you, and let's get started. Let's begin. On the kit that you're going to get from the library, you will get a 24 box of crayons. I already have opened my crayons. I took out the wrappers to see if they melt more quickly, and I just set them up. I'll tack some tacky glue. You also get a piece of paper and the silhouette. And it can be like this or a different silhouette, but this is the one we're using. So since I already attached the crayons, you can do that step first. You can also do any other pattern you want. I'm trying to do kind of a rainbow pattern. But I'm going to glue my silhouette towards the bottom of the paper. Just using a glue stick, but you can use the tacky glue that comes in your kit. Oh, our silhouette is glued down. I'm using the cup to try to create an outline as the umbrella to create a tape to filter out the melting paint or crayons from getting the silhouette stained. And that creates the illusion of falling rain. This is just painter's tape, but I think masking tape should work as well. And you can leave the cup on, but when on my test trials, this seemed to work out okay. I put a little piece of tape here because I feel like it's not. I'm using this to prop it up to help me melt the crayons, and it creates a downflow. But if you don't have this, you can use an easel or something else. Let me bring that closer. Okay, then the next step is just to melt the crayons. We're going to use a blow dryer, just any standard blow dryer. And ta-da! This is where I'm choosing to stop, but you can choose wherever you want. It's your artistic perspective. And ta-da! Thank you.